I'm Tim Moore, President and CEO of the Mississippi Hospital Association. Our first order of business today is to say thank you to all of the small rural hospitals across the state of Mississippi that continue to provide access to care to so many Mississippians. Our second order is to actually name this year's recipient of the Most Outstanding Mississippi Small Rural Hospital.
Staff here at NMMC-Eupora began training for telehealth in 2016, and last year we did over 475 visits for our patients. This year we're on target to exceed that, and the most popular visits here have been in pulmonology and diabetes treatment center. We also have telehealth units available in our emergency room, hospital, and a couple of our rural health clinics.
Telemedicine, I believe, and as a system we believe, that will be the healthcare, a large part of the healthcare of the future. It allows patients access to many specialties such as diabetic teaching, the orthopedic specialty, pulmonology, that they either wouldn't have access to, or it is a distance drive and probably wouldn't go a lot of times.
We have a large number of people who are elderly or who basically their own caretakers, but driving to Tupelo or driving somewhere at a distance to go to an appointment is a hardship. And there's no reason to have to do that when the telehealth options are available. So we're really proud to be able to provide that here for our community.
When I first got to the hospital, I signed in at the front desk. They gave me some paperwork. The nurse came back and brought me back to the room. We went over a couple of easy questions, was able to answer them. And then we went and sat in front of a computer screen where I had a live session with the doctor. She asked me some questions. I was able to answer them, look at her. She was able to look at me and have a true conversation. And then the nurse did what she asked as far as listening to my heart, listening to different things. And then she recommended what I needed to be done, and they set me up, and I heard from the doctor in a couple of days with all of my appointments.
I have had 2 interviews via telemedicine dealing with my diagnosis of sleep apnea. The nurse that I talked to, who was in Tupelo, guided me through several questions through a regular diagnostic that were able to offer the sleep apnea clinic here in Eupora. It gives the opportunity for a small town like Eupora in a small hospital to offer the services that we wouldn't normally have.
I personally use the telemedicine system here, telehealth system. I've been a patient of Tupelo Diabetes Center for the last 2 or 3 years. My first appointment, or first few appointments there, were in Tupelo until I found out that I could have those appointments here. So ever since, I've been coming to the clinic here in the system and having telehealth appointments with my provider who is in Tupelo.
So we're serving this large group of people, and it's just progressing more and more. They're beginning to accept this more as they understand what this is, and that they can get treated without having to take a long trip, a long wait, and be appropriately seen. So this is becoming more and more the way to take care of problem patients that really maybe can't afford or don't have the means to get in and go further than here at our local hospital.
It's not only about folks that might have a hardship in driving, it's also about folks who don't have a lot of time. Someone like me who doesn't want to take half a day or really can't take half a day to drive somewhere else to have an appointment.
Because of telemedicine, North Mississippi Medical Center-Eupora has been able to add so many specialty services that are now available for our community. It's helped to improve outcomes, improve quality of care, and improve the relationships and connectivity between the specialist and the local primary care providers.
On behalf of the Mississippi Hospital Association, it is my honor to name this morning North Mississippi Medical Center-Eupora as the award winner of the Mississippi Outstanding Small Rural Hospital Award. Congratulations to you all.